بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 9 in your English books. As you can see, what is this? This is page 9. All of you open it. Students, today we are learning about listening and speaking. What is this? Listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Ask two students. Ask two students to come in front of the class to express and offer basic social courtesies. Today, we're going to learn about some basic social courtesies. Okay, students, what we will do, we will learn how to speak and how to listen to others, and we will learn through this about basic social courtesies. Let's start our today's class. Okay, students, what can you see on page 9? Can anybody please tell me? What can you see? Yes, there are two girls. How many girls are there? There are two girls and they both are talking to each other. And we will see how they both are talking to each other. Okay, we have to listen to them and then we will learn the way they are talking to each other. Look, this girl is saying, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This girl is talking to this one. Assalamu alaikum. And this girl is replying, Wa alaikum wassalam. Wa alaikum wassalam. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. This is the basic social courtesy. When you see a person or a friend, you have to say Assalamu alaikum. Okay, and whenever somebody says salam to you, you have to reply Wa alaikum wassalam. Then this girl said, Sana, I have a gift for you. Sana, I have a gift for you. Sana, I have a gift for you. She said to this girl, Sana, I have a gift for you. So now we notice that this girl's name is Sana. She is Sana because she said, Sana, I have a gift for you. And what Sana replied? She replied, Thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Aisha. What she replied? She replied, Thank you, Aisha. And now we have noticed that her name is Aisha. She is Aisha and she is Sana. And they both are talking to each other. Then Aisha said, Please give me colors. Please give me colors. She said to Sana, Please give me colors. And Sana replied to Aisha, These are all yours. These are all yours. Aisha demanded some colors from Sana in a very good manner that please. Do you know, students? Please is a courtesy word and thank you is also a courtesy word. Thank you, please. Whenever you are talking to someone, you have to use these courtesy words. So Aisha said to Sana, Please give me colors. And Sana replied, These are all yours. These are all yours. Okay then, Aisha said, May I help you clean the room. May I help you clean the room? She asked Sana in a very decent manner. May I help you clean the room? Sana replied, Yes, Aisha. What she said? She said, Yes, Aisha. Aisha asked from Sana, May I help you clean the room? And Sana replied, Yes, Aisha. Then Aisha said, You did not bring my book. You did not bring my book. And Sana replied, Sorry, I forgot. Sorry is a courtesy word. May is a courtesy word. Sorry, I forgot. What did Sana say? She said, Sorry, I forgot. Let's read again. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Sana, I have a gift for you. Thank you, Aisha. Please give me colors. These are all yours. These are all yours. These are all yours. May I help you clean the room? Yes, Aisha. You did not bring my book. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, students. What we learned today? We have learned about some basic social courtesies. Do you know, students? Courtesy words are very useful in normal speaking language, okay? And there are some courtesy words like excuse me, thank you, sorry, please. You have to use these courtesy words whenever you are talking to someone. Students, I hope you are enjoying your class today. And now this is your homework time. Students, this is your homework. What you have to do, you have to do the reading of page 9. Okay, students, you will do the reading of page 9 and then you will share the video while you are reading. Okay, make a video and share your video in your WhatsApp group and your teacher will look at your video. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما